Yo, what's up, guys? It's still your boy, Amon White, and today I'm giving you the exact step-by-step strategy to sell SEO services to local businesses. If you're struggling to close clients or don't know how to pitch SEO, stay locked in because by the end of this video, you'll have a winning game plan. We're talking about finding the right businesses, crafting the perfect pitch, handling objections like a pro, and closing deals like a boss. This is how you turn SEO knowledge into a money-making machine. Let's go. Alright, before you even think about pitching SEO, you gotta make sure you're talking to the right people. Not every business needs SEO and not every business owner understands its value. Focus on businesses that rely on customers finding them online, like dentists, restaurants, real estate agents, lawyers, and home service providers. They need customers walking through the door, and SEO is the key. Another gold mine? Businesses already spending money on marketing but not ranking organically. If they're dropping cash on Facebook ads or Google ads, they understand the need for visibility. And don't forget about companies with outdated websites or low visibility on Google Maps. Once you've got your list, it's time to reach out. Personalize your message, show them you understand their business, and highlight why SEO is crucial for their success. Now, let's talk about reaching out the right way. This is where most people mess up. They send generic emails or make awkward calls that go nowhere. You gotta stand out and grab their attention. My go-to method is cold email. It's all about crafting a short, personalized message that cuts through the noise. Don't just talk about yourself. Focus on their pain points. Here's an example. Hey, name, I noticed your website isn't ranking well for keywords. I specialize in helping businesses like yours get more leads from Google. Would you be open to a free SEO audit? See how that works? You're pointing out a problem, offering a solution, and providing value with a free audit. If they don't reply to your email, don't be afraid to hit them with a call. Keep it short, sweet, and reference the email. Alright, you've got your foot in the door. Now it's time to deliver a killer sales pitch. Remember, this isn't about bombarding them with technical jargon. It's about connecting with them on a human level and showing them the value of SEO in a way they understand. Start by identifying their problem. Don't beat around the bush, hit them with the facts. Right now, your website isn't showing up when people search for keywords. That means your competitors are getting all the customers instead of you. Next, paint a picture of what success looks like with SEO. Imagine if your business was at the top of Google for keywords. You'd be getting daily calls, messages, and new customers without spending a dime on ads. Now, it's time to position yourself as the solution. What I do is optimize your website and get you ranked on Google so you get consistent leads and sales. Finally, end with a clear call to action. Let's be real, you're going to face objections. It's part of the game. But objections aren't rejections, they're opportunities to address concerns, build trust, and further demonstrate your value. One common objection is budget. I don't have the budget for SEO right now. Instead of getting discouraged, emphasize and reframe the conversation. I totally get that, but right now you're leaving money on the table by not being visible online. If I could bring you an extra 10 to 20 customers a month, wouldn't that be worth the investment? Another objection you might hear is, I already have someone handling my SEO. Don't panic, respond with curiosity and offer a fresh perspective. That's great. Just curious. Are you happy with your current rankings and the results you're getting? Because I noticed some areas where you could be getting way more traffic and leads. This opens the door for a conversation about their current SEO strategy and how you can potentially improve it. The key to handling objections is to stay calm, listen attentively, and address their concerns head on. Alright, they're interested, they see the value. Now it's time to seal the deal and get paid what you deserve. The key here is to make it easy for them to say yes. Don't overwhelm them with a million different package options. Keep it simple and straightforward. Offer a basic package that covers the essentials. For example, for X dollars per month, I'll optimize your site, improve your rankings, and help you get more leads. Clear, concise, and compelling. And if you really want to knock it out of the park, show them proof of your SEO prowess. Here are some case studies of businesses I've helped achieve top rankings and massive traffic growth. To further sweeten the deal and eliminate any lingering doubts, offer a trial period, a money-back guarantee, or a low-risk starter package. And once they're ready to take the plunge, don't start work without a contract. And that's how you sell SEO services step by step. If you follow this strategy, target the right businesses, use smart outreach, deliver a killer pitch, handle objections, and close like a boss, you'll start signing clients fast. Which part of this video helped you the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more sale and marketing game from your boy Amon White. Catch you in the next one. Peace.